Hello and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, welcome. Go ahead, subscribe. You're here already. This month's Boxycharm has arrived and I'm super excited because I feel like it's gonna be good. I'm claiming it that it's gonna be good. So I have not opened it yet. I only broke the seal, so I'm excited to see what we got this month. This is just the regular Boxycharm that I have. There is a Boxycharm Premium where you get, I'm guessing, better products. That's not my business because I'm not doing that one. This is the size of the box that it came in this month. I feel like they've been pretty consistent with the sizes lately. Upon opening the box, first thing I see here is the Boxycharm Mother Nature is the theme. That's so cute. I love the floral. It says packed with gloves and love. That's great, especially since, you know, the coronavirus. So since it has a price card on the back, I am going to present them to you in order. I have not really looked through the box. I just opened it and broke the seal. So it's gonna be a surprise for both of us. First thing that I see here, it says Glam Glow Berry Glow Probiotic Recovery Face Mask. I love Glam Glow products. They always smell so good and they work pretty well also. This one says, apply an even layer to clear skin. Leave on for 10 minutes for best result. Tissue off and smooth any excess. If desired, rinse and pat dry. Follow your normal skincare regimen. I just love their packaging. Like, it's just so cute. Let me smell it. It kind of smells like berries. It has kind of like a paint smell to it also, but more berries than paint. This has like a strong, what is it, an after smell? Like, you know how you get like a weird aftertaste, like something tastes good and then right after you get this weird taste. That's kind of what's happening here with the smell. This mask is retailed at $49. So for this little bitty thing, $49. Next on the list is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. I already have this mask actually and I really like it. This retail values at $22. So this Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask is a bouncy, breathable sleeping mask that smooths and perfects skin overnight. So this one, it actually, every time I wake up, I always wake up with like, it's like dead skin flaking off. So if that's not something that you like, then I wouldn't ever try this, but it does feel really light. This is the one that I have. I don't use it that often since I've started a new skincare regimen, but it does smell really good. It actually does smell like watermelons and it's very light and fluffy. I'm gonna keep it in the package because I feel like I'm gonna do like a giveaway soon and I'm going to put this in here because like I said, I have one. That retails at $22 and it's pretty bomb actually. Next, I got the Tropic Cover Plus Concealer Crayon. This retails at $24. Now, I'm not sure that this color would be great for me for a concealer. It's called Toffee, but it looks like it might be close to my actual skin. So I feel like I'm probably gonna give this to my mom because she's darker complexion than I am. So this could probably work for her and she don't really have no good stuff. So I'm probably gonna get this to her. I do love Tropic products because of the magnetic cap. Like, I've had their lipsticks before and they just kind of like pop on. So it says, finally, you can have extra smooth, easy glide application with full flexible coverage and a lightweight feel. The ultra creamy, long-lasting formula takes coverage and correction to a new level. I'm gonna try this first and see if I like it, and if I don't, if it's like not my color, I'm gonna give it to my mom. Again, that retails at $24. So far, we're off to a great start, Boxycharm. Next is these are makeup remover wipes. These retail at $17. This is the Dead Sea Minerals plus Vitamin C Serum makeup remover wipes. These value at $17 for some makeup remover wipes. It's kind of steep, Boxycharm, but again, I only paid $25 a month for the box. So last but not least is the Moda 5-piece brush set. So these retail at $27.95. Ooh, holding it upside down, my bad. So we have a shade brush, crease brush, detail brush, smudge brush, and line brush. Okay, I really like Moda brushes as it is, and then to get like a full eye set, that's just amazing. So everything in this box retail at collectively $139.95 and we only paid $25 for the box. So honestly, I feel like this box, they killed it. Boxycharm, you did a great job this month. You might be regaining a fan. You lost me for a while because your boxes was trash, but now they're getting better. So, well, thank you guys so much for watching this video. That is the end of my Boxycharm unboxing. If you have not already, go ahead, like this video, subscribe, and you will see my face in the next video.